Crypto video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can transfer ADA in another word Cardano from Binance to Exodus. So for those people who do not know Binance is a crypto exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto, and Exodus is a crypto wallet where you guys can store crypto. So basically in normal wallet you store money, while in crypto wallet you store your crypto. Alright, so that's basically what Exodus is. So let me show you guys how you guys can transfer your Cardano from Binance to Exodus. First step is you want to go to Binance.com, log in into your account. Go on wallet, go on overview over here. Now once you're over here, you want to go on versus withdraw. Now once you go on withdraw, you want to choose Cardano because that's what we are withdrawing. So I'm going to go on crypto over here. Once you go on crypto, I'm going to choose Cardano over here. So ADA for Cardano, and Cardano is going to be displayed. Now what I want to do is I want to open Exodus, and on my Exodus I want to go on wallet. Once I'm in wallet, I want to search for ADA, that's Cardano. Click on Cardano. Once you click on Cardano, you want to click on receive. Once you click on receive, you want to copy the wallet address. After you copy the wallet address, you paste it over here. After you paste it, you want to choose the network. Alright, so once you choose the network, basically right now the network is suspended due to some reason, but if the network is unsuspended in like 1 or 2 days, basically once you choose the network, then it's gonna ask you to enter the number of ADA you want to transfer. After you enter the number of Cardano you want to transfer from your Binance, you just want to click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, the number of Cardano you entered over here will be transferred from Binance to your Exodus account, alright, or in your Exodus wallet. So that's basically how you guys can transfer Cardano from Binance to Exodus. So it's that simple.